Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and talk about how to add a custom paper size, because in the composition sheet I gave you a unique paper size, which is a 12 by 24. You can see by picking it, it's got a 12 by 24 up here. You can also do a length on it, right, to find that it's 2 feet by 1 feet. So we don't have that as a typical paper size. So if you go to File and Print, and you have the Adobe PDF, if you go to the setup, chances are you're not going to have the 12 by 24 in here. I do, because I've added it, and I'm going to show you how to add that. So I'm just going to go back to my print dialog, and next to the Adobe PDF is Properties, and you can add a PDF page size. So if I go to Add here, I can just type in, like, you know, M. Smith custom. I would put in M. Smith 24 by 12, right? And then you just put in, you can see, it's weird how it does the height, as the length. I don't quite understand that, but I guess it's because it's a landscape setup. So I would do 24 by 12, and add modify, and click OK. And now if I go to setup, you will see that's been added as an option, right? And I can pick that. I can pick the offset from corner and zoom to 100% of size. Click OK, and then preview. And it will print those guys out. Okay. It's up to you how you want to set this sheet up. If I go back to print, you can see over here in the background I also have some schedules. If those are getting in your way or making it difficult for you to print, you can delete them. Different drivers are going to have different ways of setting new sheet sizes, so you have to kind of noodle around. That was Adobe PDF. If I go to the Qt PDF and I go to Properties, I can go to Paper, or I can go to Advanced down here, and here's the paper size, right? And then if I scroll down, you can see there's a PostScript custom page size. If I click on that, I can edit the custom page size and sort of add custom page dimensions. So it's a little more difficult, than the other one. But you can go ahead and do that and add your custom page size here. Okay, let me cancel that. If you are unable to print to the Adobe PDF, you can use the Microsoft like print to PDF. And for this one, I would just go ahead and set up to tabloid. Now, you're going to want to fit to page, and we'll offset from corner and click OK. And if I do a preview of this, it's going to look at the whole screen and pick those. So you're going to have to delete those guys to get it to be large enough. But it will sort of print itself to fit there. So that's also kind of a last minute option like I showed you on the other guys. Okay. Unfortunately, some of these Microsoft print to PDF, right, they don't really have any options, right? They have orientation and then paper size, and then they don't give you the option to put in a custom paper size. So that's kind of limiting on those. Okay.